Thank you for coming here today to watch one of our tutorial videos. We will show you here how easy it is to manage your placement settings. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to your @Cost Metals dashboard. Scroll down to the bottom right portion. There you will find the placement settings section. Here you can find all settings needed to place your referrals on your genealogy tree, as well as your referral code. To place your referrals in the genealogy tree, you will be presented with two options. You can choose to place them on the outside bottom left, or you can choose to place them on the outside bottom right. Make sure you choose the correct placement settings, as you cannot move your referrals once they are placed on your genealogy tree. Alternatively, you can choose to place them in the holding tank. This will allow you to have a little more time to decide which side you would like to place them. Once you have chosen your preferred placement settings, press the Update Settings button. Thank you for watching @Cost Metals tutorial series. We are committed to your savings and success.